Meaning of integrated.
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 Integrated. The term integrated refers to the process of combining or incorporating different components or elements into a single entity or system. This can refer to a variety of contexts, including technology, business, or society. In general, integration is meant to improve efficiency, simplify processes, and create a more cohesive whole. Examples of integrated systems include integrated circuits in electronics, integrated supply chains in business, and integrated healthcare systems in medicine.